Okay, so hopefully you have tried these. I'm just going to run through them so you can kind of watch along and listen if needed. Atomic number on cobalt is the bottom, so it's 27. The mass number is the top number in that symbol notation, so it's 59. The number of protons is 27 because that always equals the same as our atomic number. The number of neutrons, we're going to have to take 59, our mass, minus 27 because 27 of that mass was protons, and that leaves us with 32 neutrons. And then electrons, for now, we are assuming are the same as our protons because we're doing neutral atoms. Let's just go across to the other one that's similar. Iodine, atomic number is the bottom number, so that's 53. Mass number is the top number, so that's 127. 53, atomic number and number of protons are always the same. For neutrons, we've got a mass of 127. We take away the 53 of that mass that was from our protons, and that's going to leave us with 74 neutrons. And again, our electrons are equal to our protons because it is a neutral atom. Okay, hopefully those ones went well. Now we'll go down to the bottom two. Here they're just telling us that this has 63 protons and 89 neutrons. And so we have to remember that the atomic number is based on the number of protons. So that's 63. It's an equal sign. I don't know why I randomly did a dash there. And then the mass number, we're going to have to add the 63 plus the 89, right? The protons and the neutrons are the two things with a mass. And so we're going to end up with 152. I'm hoping that's my math in my head. I could go look up there. Yeah, okay. Electrons, again, we're assuming these are neutral. My hand's starting to hurt, you guys. This is too long of a section. My hand is hurting. I'm so sorry. They're not always all this long, I promise. Nuclear symbol then, we have what element here? Oh, europium. We're going very fancy here. 63, we put the atomic number always on the bottom, and then the mass number, not the neutrons. The mass number on the top. Hyphen notation, europium. Hyphen mass 152. And last one before we move on to the periodic table examples, which is almost the end. Seriously, my hand hurts. Atomic number. This one we have to make the assumption that it is neutral, otherwise we really could not solve this one. So I would have to tell you that later in the class, but for this section everything's been neutral. So our atomic number will be the same as our number of electrons. Our mass number then is going to be that's 78 plus 117, so that's 195. Protons, as we said, same as the electrons for now. This element, if you look up element number 78, okay, because the protons tell you what element, that is platinum. Its mass for this particular version of platinum is 195. That might not exactly match what you see on the periodic table. We'll talk more about why that is later. Okay, and so then this is platinum. Did I spell it right? Platinum hyphen 195 for its mass. Okay, if you have questions or if something didn't work, please call me over so we can get that figured out.